something special. If you love somebody, hold their hand tonight. It's real talk. Just say this. What's up, my lady love? My mama secret. I know you know me. Let's get to know each other deeper. Cupid, you can keep them. I don't believe them. The kind of love we got is real. This ain't no Mona Lisa. No painted picture. No fairy tales. A lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Yeah, we know it well. I never kiss and tell and put our business in the streets. Hey, ain't nobody's business. What we do between the sheets. See, I respect you too much. Don't see you as my equal. I see you as myself. Me and you, we the same people. The way you let me lead you, that's why I need you. And when I'm on the road, I miss you, wanna see you, girl. You not perfect, but you working, girl. And you don't need a job unless you feel like working, girl. Ain't worried about your past, I'm focused on our future, lady. From what I see, it's looking good. I see you, baby. Yes! All the single ladies who there is in Scotty, and pray to God will send you that one. All the single fellas, man. Be the type of person you need to be, man. Yeah, truly something special. Yeah, truly something special. It's real talk. And let me give you a little love advice real quick, man. See, love is a marathon, not a sprint. Relationships are a journey and not a destination. And if you are single, my encouragement to you would be to run after being the person you're supposed to be. Alright? Run after that. Focus on who you're supposed to be. And stop looking to the right, to the left, to the back. Especially ladies. Ladies, you tend to look back and say, well, you know what? I'm gonna just drag him while I'm running after the right things. Maybe he'll get it. Fellas, focus on what you're supposed to be and not trying to hold two hands at the same time talking about maybe they can't see each other. Now this is what it's supposed to look like. As you chasing after being who God wants you to be, and you focused, fellas, you may look to your right and notice that there's a young lady who's running after who she's supposed to be. She's focused. And what you do, fellas, is you look to the right of you and you say, how you doing? I see that you're chasing after the same thing I'm chasing after. And I was wondering if you'd like to hold hands and chase after this together. It's just a little bit. Alright? Write it down, take a picture. Remember that. Speaking of love, man, I love y'all. Y'all love me back.